So, yeah, good morning, everyone. Mhm. So, yeah, good morning, everyone. I am Jovelyn Abaiza, and I will be discussing Chapter 1 Information Systems in Global Business today. So, um, uh, yeah, next, I have here four key, key areas that I will be going to discuss. The first one is how information systems are transforming in business today. Second is perspective on information systems, contemporary approaches to information systems, hands-on MIS project. So yeah, here I have transforming businesses. So what are those? We have here new innovative business models such as smartphones, tablet computers, and changes in technologies such as the use of social networks, which we have Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, Viber, Twitter, and WhatsApp, where these social networks will be used as a communications of as a instrument of communications. Next, let us proceed to what's new in information systems. So, what's new? The question is, what's new in information system? Plenty. In fact, there is a whole new world of doing business using new technologies for managing and organizing. What makes the MIS field the most exciting area of study and schools of business is the continuous change in technology management and business processes. So I have here five changes that are paramount importance. The first one is IT innovations, whereas a continuing stream of information technology innovations is transforming the traditional business world. Examples include the emergence of cloud computing, the growth of mobile digital business platform based on smartphones and tablet computers, big data, business analytics, and the use of social networks by managers to achieve business objectives. Most of these changes have occurred in the past few years. These innovations uh, are enabling entrepreneurs and innovative traditional firms to create new products and services, develop new business models, and transform the day-to-day conduct of business. In the process, some old businesses, even industries, are being destroyed while new businesses are springing up. The next one is new business models. New business models, for instance, the emergence of online video services like Netflix for streaming, Apple, iTunes, Amazon, and many other others for downloading video has forever changed how premium video is distributed and even created. Netflix in 2016 attracted more than 75 million subscribers worldwide to that to what it calls the Internet TV revolution. Netflix has moved into premium TV show production with 30 original shows such as House of Cards and Orange is the New Black, challenging cable and broadcast producers of TV shows and potentially disrupting cable network dominance of TV show downloads and has struck deals with major Hollywood studios for recent movies and TV shows. A growing trickle of reviewers are unplugging from cable and using only the internet for entertainment. The third one is e-commerce expanding. E-commerce generated about 600 billion in revenue in 2016 and is estimated to grow to nearly 900 billion by 2020. E-commerce is changing how firms design, produce, and deliver their products and services. E-commerce has reinvented itself again, disrupting the traditional marketing and advertising industry and putting major media and content firms in jeopardy. The fourth one is management changes. Here in the management changes, the management of businesses firms has changed. With the new mobile smartphones, high-speed wireless Wi-Fi networks, and tablets, remote salespeople on the road are only seconds away from their managers questions, and oversight. Business is going mobile along with consumers. So the last one is changes in firms and organization. Compared to industrial organization of the previous century, the new fast-growing 21st century business firms put less emphasis on hierarchy and structure and more emphasis on employees. Okay, the next one, let's proceed to the interactive session management digital firm. Digital firm. So we have here the emerging digital firm. All of the changes we have just described, coupled with equally significant organizational redesign, have created the conditions for a fully digital firm. A digital firm can be defined along several dimensions. First, we have digital firm is one in which nearly all of the organization's significant business relationship with customer, supplier, and employees are digitally enabled and mediated. Core business processes are accomplished through digital networks spanning the entire organization and linking multiple organizations. The next one is business process. It refers to the set of logically related tasks and behaviors that organizations develop over the time to produce specific business results and the unique manner in which these activities are organized and coordinated. So I have here the figure 1.2, which indicates the interdependence between organizations and information systems. Next one is, let's proceed to the strategic business objectives. So, wait lang. What makes information systems so essential today? Why are businesses investing so much in information systems in technology? It's because in the United States, more than 57 million managers and 120 million workers in the information and knowledge sectors in the labor force rely on information systems to conduct business. Information systems are essential for conducting day-to-day business in most advanced countries as well as achieving strategic business objectives. So I have here five strategic business objectives, which we have here the first one, operational excellence. Here, businesses continuously seek to improve the efficiency of their operations in order to achieve higher profitability. Information systems and technology are some of the most important tools available to managers for achieving higher levels of efficiency and productivity in business operations, especially when coupled with changes in business practices and management behavior. The next one is the new products, services, and business models. So, it describes how a company proceeds different from the industry a decade ago. Apple Incorporated transformed an old business model of music distribution based on records, tapes, and CDs into an online legal distribution model based on its own iPad technology platform. Apple has prospered from a continuing stream of innovations, including the iTunes Music service, the iPad, and the iPhone. The next one is customer and supplier intimacy. Customer and supplier intimacy, when a business really knows its customers and serves them well, the customers generally respond by returning and purchasing more. This raises revenues and profits. Likewise with suppliers, the more a business engages its suppliers, the better the suppliers can provide vital inputs. This lower costs how to really know your your customers or suppliers is a central problem for business with millions of online and offline customers. So the next one is improved decision making. Many businesses managers operate in an information fog bank, never really having the right information at the right time to make an informed decision. Instead, managers rely on forecasts, best guesses, and luck. In the past decade, information systems and technology have made it possible for managers to use real-time data from the marketplace when making decisions. So the next one is competitive advantage. When firms achieve one or more of these business objectives, operational excellence, new products, services, and business models, customer supplier intimacy, and improved decision making, chances are they have already achieved a competitive advantage. Doing things better than your competitors, charging less for superior products, and responding to customers and suppliers in real time all add up to higher sales and higher profits that your competitors cannot match. Last one is survival. Business firms also invest in information systems and technologies because they are necessities of doing business. Sometimes these necessities are driven by industrial level changes. So today, most national banks in the world have ATMs and link to the national international ATM network such as Sirius or CIRRUS, providing ATM services to retail banking customers is simply a requirement of being in and surviving in the retail banking businesses. So now let's proceed to the perspective of information systems. So what is information systems? So far, we've used information systems and technologies informally without defining the terms information technology. So an information system can be defined technically as a set of interrelated components that collect or retrieve, process, store, and distribute information to support decision making and control in an organization. So what are those? We have here information. We mean data that have been shaped into a form that is meaningful and useful to human beings. Data, in contrast, are streams of raw facts representing events occurring in an organization or the physical environment before they have been organized and arranged into a form that people can understand and use. So I have here the figure 1.3, data and information. Now let's proceed to the dimension of information system. Dimensions of information system. To fully understand information systems, we must understand the broader organization management and information technology dimensions of systems and their power to provide solutions to challenges and problems in the business environment. We refer to this broader understanding of information systems, which encompasses an understanding of the management and organizational dimensions of systems as well as the technical dimensions of system as information system literacy, computer literacy, and in contrast, focuses primarily on knowledge of information technology. So, the management of information system tries to achieve the broader information system literacy. MIS deals with the behavioral issues such as well as technical issues surrounding the development, use, and impact of information systems used by managers and employees in the firm. Let's examine each of the dimensions of information systems, organization management in information technology. Okay. So I have here figure 1.6, which indicates the levels in a firm where the first one is senior management, the middle management, and the operational management. Also, I have here the figure 1.9 contemporary approach to information systems, such as technical approach and behavioral approach. So in In these contemporary approaches to information system, so in technical approach, it indicates computer science and management science. Computer science is concerned with establishing theories of computability, methods of computation, and methods of efficient data storage and access. Management science emphasizes the development of models for decision-making and management practices. Operations research focuses on the mathematical techniques for optimizing selected parameters of organization such as transportation, inventory control, and transaction costs. So in behavioral approach, an important part of the information system field is concerned with behavioral issues that arise in the development and long-term maintenance of information systems. Issues such as strategic business integration, design, implementation, utilization, and management cannot be explored usefully with the models used in the technical approach. Other behavioral disciplines contribute important concepts and methods. For instance, sociology study information system with an eye toward how groups and organizations shape the development of systems and also how systems are affect the individuals, groups, and organizations. Psychology study information systems with an interest in how human decision makers perceive and use formal information. Economists study information systems with an interest in understanding the production of digital goods, the dynamics of digital markets, and how new information systems change the control and cost structures within the firm. The behavioral approach does not ignore technology. Indeed, informational systems technology is often the stimulus for behavioral problem or issue, but the focus of this approach is generally not on technical solutions. Instead, it concentrates on changes in attitudes, management, and organizational policy and behavior. So that's it for my report. Thank you.